Hello everyone, welcome to Naz Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at perfectly right place. So today we are going to talk about 30 British phrases plus words that will help you to sound more like a British speaker. Without wasting any time, let's dive into it. If you want access to the free PDF including all these phrases with proper meanings and used in with different contexts, you can click on the link in the description below to get for free. Let's dive into it. First one is alright. Alright is a British way to ask how are you. So you can say alright mate, but one word can be used in a lot of different contexts. Like if you're asking the meal was alright, it means was that okay or not. Or you can also say she had a bit of fall, but she's alright now. It means she's fine now. So alright, one word can be used in a lot of different ways, but specifically in British English, you use alright to ask, how are you? Next one, cheers. Cheers is a British way to say thank you or goodbye. So you can say, if someone is saying, I got you a gift for your birthday, you can say, oh, cheers, mate. Oh, if someone is leaving, like, right, see you then you can say, cheers, see you later. So it's used in two ways, thank you and goodbye. Next one. That's a common term in British. Rather than saying friend, you can say mate. Hey mate, alright. Oh mate, that's not fair. Next one. To have a bit of chin wag. Now, this one is a phrase which means like having a bit of conversation, gossip. A kind of, you can say, friendly discussion, friendly gossip. You can say, we must go for a coffee and have a bit of chin wag. Right, tea's ready. Fancy taking 5 minutes for a bit of a chin wag, then we go back to the report. Next one, ta. Ta is actually a British way to say thank you. Like if the waiter is saying like, here's your change, sir, then you can say, ta, mate. It means thank you, mate. Lost the plot, which means to go crazy or behaving irrationally. You can say, the manager really lost the plot if he thinks that the project will be finished tomorrow. After losing his job, he totally lost the plot. Next one, a curtain twitcher. A nosy neighbor who always speaks out of their window to see what's happening out there. AI apps are just digital version of curtain twitching, innit? Beware of becoming a bitter curtain twitcher as you get older. Next one is throwing a wobbly. It means having a tantrum, showing a tantrum, especially when you're an adult. Like you can say, he threw a wobbly when the restaurant was ran out of her favorite dessert. That was quite embarrassing. She threw a wobbly when her boyfriend gave more attention to his best friend. I think you guys can relate. Next we have bloke. Bloke is an informal way for a man. Like rather than saying man, you can use the word bloke in an informal way. Like you can say, the bloke over there at the bar is a good laugh. Then chap. It's actually a formal plus old way or term used for a guy or a man. You can say, that new chap moved in, seems like a decent sort. Lad. Lad is a term used for a young man or a guy. You can say, he's a good lad at heart. Next one, cheeky. It means a person who is playful and mischievous. You can say, my little son is always pulling a prank with his cheeky face. Dodgy. Dodgy is a term when something is fishy or something is suspicious. You can use dodgy like, that second-hand car is a bit dodgy. He's always involved in some kind of dodgy schemes. Next one is a little sarcastic. It's taking the piss, which means making fun of the other person in a sarcastic way. Stop taking a piss out of my new haircut. It's not funny. Wind-up merchant, someone who irritates people for their own amusement. He's a proper wind-up merchant. He's just trying to get a reaction out of you. He's such a wind-up merchant, always making jokes at my expense. Next one, a piece of cake. It means something which is very easy. I purchased a book, Basics to Business. After that, English learning is a piece of cake for me. It's all gone pear-shaped. It means when a plan or a situation gone wrong. The reception was going so well, but the DJ's equipment broke down and it all went pear-shaped. What loads of code develop. It means what nonsense or rubbish. You can say the rumors about the company's declining sale is unbelievable. What loads of code develop. To be honest, I love this one. What loads of code develop. It just feels like Harry Potter kind of dialogues. What loads of code develop. Next one, bits and bobs, which means various small things. Everyone collecting bits and bobs from the living room before we have tea. Our next word is in it. It's a shortened way of saying isn't it? As British speakers use it a lot. In it for maybe an agreement or for a confirmation or to reinforce something too. Like in this one, it's a kind of an agreement. You can say bit cold out today. In it, that's a confirmation kind of. That new album is brilliant. In it, that's reinforcing confirmation. Next one. Now, next one is mind the gap. That's a common saying which is heard mostly on the platform in London nearby. So you can say to just aware people that to watch out for the space between the platform and the train. It's a little warning on public transport and use it like mind the gap between the train and the platform. There is one more meaning of mind the gap. That's kind of a discrepancy, which means the major difference. Like you can use it in this context too. We need to mind the gap between what schools are teaching and what industries actually need. Well, that's important one. Next one is dawdle. Dawdle means an easy task to do. You can say the first level of this game was absolute dawdle. Next one, to faff around. To faff around means to waste your time doing very little or something inefficiently. He spent the whole night faffing around with his phone. Stop faffing around. Put on your shoes. We're getting late. You're watching this video. I hope that you are liking this video. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's continue. Next one is full of beans, which means a person who is energetic and lively. You can say, my son is so full of beans. When I got better sleep, I woke up full of beans, not my cup of tea, which means not interested. Retaliating is just not my cup of tea. A storm in a teacup, which means when you're fighting over a small and unimportant issue. The media is just making a storm in the teacup on new policy changes by government. The neighbors were shouting at each other about the bins. By the evening, it was all the storm in the teacup. Next, and the most optimistic one is every cloud has a silver lining, which means every problem comes with a solution. Every difficulty comes with ease. Losing a job was a shock, but the silver lining is that it forced me to explore better career opportunities. Next one is knackered, which means extremely tired. You can use it like, you look completely knackered today. After working for 12-hour shift, someone was absolutely knackered. Next one is gutted. Gutted means feeling extremely disappointed or hurt. The coach was absolutely gutted when the team lost the match in the last 5 minutes. The speaker was absolutely gutted when the concert got cancelled. Next one, skint. Skint means a person with no money. totally broke. You can say, she's as skint as a student. Or you can say, I won't be able to go out for a dinner tonight. I'm totally skint until my payday. Next one is cheesed off. Cheesed off means irritated or annoyed. You can say, I'm a bit cheesed off with this traffic. She was cheesed off with her colleague for taking all the credit for her idea. Now, if you don't want to be skint, then you can learn this skill of English. This skill will definitely help you out to upgrade your CV, to upgrade your personality, and obviously your overall career and your income too. So if you want to register in our course, or you want to buy our Basic to Business, a complete comprehensive English book, you can order it now. Link is in the description. Next one is chuffed. Chuffed means when you are very pleased and very happy, often an achievement. You can say, I was absolutely chuffed when I found that I got the job. She was chuffed with the exam result. Next one, gobsmacked. Gobsmacked is actually a way to say when you are extremely surprised or astonished over something, like shocked. We told our parents that we are moving to Australia. They were gobsmacked. We were gobsmacked when the bill came. They accidentally added 0 to the total. Next one is pissed. Now, pissed means in UK, it means drunk, like she was pissed in the party. But in US English, pissed means extremely angry. You can say like, she was so pissed when she found out that her flight got cancelled. Let's learn some bonus words now. Rose-colored glasses. Rose-colored glasses means it's a positive or a happiness attitude that fails to see what is negative. Like, you can use it in this way. Face the reality. Put off your rose-colored glasses. It means like you are not accepting sometimes the reality and just want to find something positive, which is good, but not all the time. Sometimes you have to face the fear, you have to face the fact. So that's that kind of positive attitude that fails to see what is acceptable and what is true, to be harsh. Next one is a paranoid, which means when you're feeling extremely nervous and worried, just because you believe that they will harm you and they don't like you. He started feeling paranoid to such an extent that he convinced himself that his boss was going to fire him. My husband is very paranoid in making sure that everything is locked. Next and the last one is patriarchal. Patriarchal means something which is ruled or controlled by men. She states that the legal system is truly patriarchal. The structure of the society is patriarchal. So these are the words and the phrases that you can use in your formal plus informal conversation. That after practicing all of these vocabulary words, your English will be upgraded. If you liked today's video and want more videos like that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.